When considering which developed countries might be best suited to survive an apocalypse scenario, several factors come into play, including geographical location, natural resources, self-sufficiency, infrastructure, governmental stability, and societal resilience. So here are 5 developed countries in no particular order that could be well positioned to weather various types of apocalyptic scenarios. Canada. With its vast landmass, abundant natural resources, relatively low population density, and stable government, Canada offers favorable conditions for survival in apocalyptic scenarios. And these are also the same reasons why Alaska is always at the top of any U.S. lists of places to live in an SHTF situation. Canada's diverse geography includes fertile farmland, extensive forests, and even freshwater sources. And Canadians also have a strong tradition of outdoor skills and wilderness survival, making them well equipped to handle emergencies. Additionally, Canada's geopolitical stability and reputation for peacekeeping could contribute to its resilience in a time of crisis. Australia. Australia's isolated location, expansive territory, and resource-rich landscape make it a contender for surviving apocalyptic scenarios. The country boasts ample agricultural land, mineral resources, and renewable energy potential. Its relatively small population compared to its landmass could facilitate self-sufficiency in food production and energy generation. Australia's well-developed infrastructure and advanced technology further enhance its resilience, while its strict border controls could help contain threats from external sources. Norway. Norway's rugged terrain, maritime borders, and strategic location in Northern Europe contribute to its resilience in apocalyptic scenarios. The country has a strong economy, high standard of living, and robust social welfare system, which could help mitigate the impacts of disasters. Norway's extensive coastline provides access to seafood and potential trade routes, while its renewable energy infrastructure, including hydropower and wind farms, offers sustainable energy sources. Moreover, Norway's tradition of community cooperation and preparedness, known as dugnad, could foster resilience in times of crisis. New Zealand. Situated in the remote South Pacific, New Zealand offers isolation and natural barriers that could help protect against external threats in apocalyptic scenarios. The country's temperate climate, fertile land, and diverse ecosystems support agriculture, livestock farming, and renewable energy production. New Zealand's relatively small population and strong sense of national identity could facilitate coordination and cooperation during emergencies. Additionally, New Zealand's geographically diverse landscape provides options for retreat and shelter in case of disasters. Switzerland. Known for its neutrality, mountainous terrain, and well-developed infrastructure, Switzerland is often regarded as a safe haven in times of crisis. The country's decentralized political system, robust economy, and high standard of living contribute to its stability and resilience. Switzerland's extensive network of underground bunkers, including the Swiss Federal Bunker, offers protection against nuclear threats and other emergencies. Moreover, Switzerland's emphasis on self-sufficiency, emergency preparedness, and community cohesion could enhance its ability to withstand apocalyptic scenarios. And honorable mention goes to Finland, which was number 6 on this list. Finland's location in Northern Europe offers certain advantages in terms of geographic isolation and natural barriers, like dense forests and lakes, which could help protect against external threats. Finland is rich in natural resources, including timber, freshwater, and minerals. Its forests provide potential sources of wood for fuel, construction, and other needs, while its numerous lakes offer fresh water for drinking and irrigation. With a relatively low population density compared to its land area, Finland may have better prospects for self-sufficiency and resource management in times of crisis. This could reduce competition for essential resources and facilitate community cooperation. Finland consistently ranks high in global indices for quality of life, education, and social welfare. Its strong social welfare system and sense of community could foster resilience and cooperation during emergencies. Finland is known for its technological innovation and advanced infrastructure, which could aid in disaster response and recovery efforts. Additionally, Finland's emphasis on sustainability and renewable energy sources could contribute to long-term resilience. While no country is immune to the challenges posed by apocalyptic scenarios, these developed countries possess geographical, economic, social, and governmental attributes that could increase their chances of survival and resilience in the face of catastrophic events. And of course, there are places in every country that are suited for surviving SHTF. There you have it, and many of the reasons these countries top the list are ones that are lacking in other developed countries. Let me know what you think if you feel I missed any countries. As always, I love hearing your thoughts and your opinions.